Okay, so this is going to be an overview on our basic vacuum solution. Pretty much I'll go through everything that comes in the kit. I think this is 99% of it. I don't think we've missed anything here. Obviously it comes with the canister itself, the vacuum. It is going to come with a bag that goes inside. Here's the mounting bracket that mounts it to the wall. These are the fittings. We give you, I'll explain the options of how you can install this with these fittings here and what flexibility it gives you. These are the fittings it's going to come with. Here's our muffler. It's going to come with these accessories and a 50-foot hose. The only thing you'll have to figure out is how you like to hang the hose when you're not using it. I don't know, some people might want to unplug it, roll it up, put it in the cabinet. If you want to hang it on the wall, you can buy a hose hanger, do that yourself there. We don't offer that because, like I said, we don't know how people are going to want to store the hose. The vacuum is the same with all the kits. And the bracket that comes with it is pretty simple to install. You can find a stud. You can use these mounting holes here on a stud. That's going to be more than enough. If you've already got blocking, you could use the 4 outside holes, which would probably be slightly more solid, but I think just 2 holes on the, just 2 bolts through the stud or 2 screws to the stud is going to be plenty. This vacuum isn't very heavy. As far as the install goes, you get to choose where you want the hose to be attached, the suction side, okay? So what it does come with is a cap. So if you want to install the hose on this side, which would be the left side, you'd cap the right. Obviously, if you're doing it the other way, you cap the left. The inside of this inlet hose, there's going to be, this is how the bag attaches. So what you have is this fitting goes inside, snaps through the inside. You make sure you use this foam gasket. The foam gasket goes on there and seals it against the inside of the canister. Then your bag just basically slips over that. You can see we've got one already installed in there. And the bag will sit in this void here. The other thing it's going to come with is the muffler. Now the muffler goes here, but if you're going to install your hose here, what we do is give you the option to, because if you're going to just use a 90 on here like this, this is going to be in the way of the hose. So what we do is we give you a 45, so you can 45 it back. We give you a little length of hose. You can cut just enough hose, or just enough hose, I should say just enough pipe, so that you can install these 2 fittings together. And that'll offset the muffler just enough so that you don't have interference with the hose. That is if you're going to put the suction hose on the suction side, hose on the suction side over here. If you're going to use this side, it's not going to be a problem at all. This adapter is for the hose. This goes on here, and this is where the hose enters. So you would do is you take this cuff off of your hose. I believe the hose comes with 2 cuffs, and this would just go into here, like so. So as you can see, this pretty much gives you everything you need to get started. Obviously, there's some more options like a reel. You can do a hide-a-hose system. We'll explain those in other videos, but this will get you started. This is everything you need. This is exactly what I'm going to install in my garage until I get my hide-a-hose in.